Today we're gonna learn how to design this kind of pictures. So let's open Canva. Let's change the background color to red. And let's add a dust to our picture. This is normal. Make it bigger, like this one. Let's write our writings. And let's change the background color to white, the writings color to white, and change the font to Anton. Make it big enough. This one. Make the spacing a little bit less, and the middle and the letter spacing, make it a little bit longer, like this one. Let's add our picture, or first let's duplicate this text and go to effects and hello. Now we have two writings here, and let's go to elements and add a picture. Basketball guy. This one is good. Let's remove the background. Make the picture bigger. And go to Edit, Duotone, Cherry. This is normal. And go to Positions. Change the writing's position, like this one. This is the result. I hope you like it. Follow for more tips and tricks in Canva.